bato, bato. Bato, 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 bato. Pick! Talaga naman ako lang yata yan. When I say pick, that's the time you will, saka kayo magkaharap. Bato, 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 pick! So, nauna, forever. Pag hindi kayo nalagtauna kayo,
earn na lang kami, earn.
Okay, ha? Okay. Okay? Age of your youngest child. Age of your youngest child. Okay? Okay? Age of your youngest child. 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 Sino na una? Eto na. Sino nangyari? 16. Okay, first category, ha? Pag hindi kayo nag-ask after, ay wala. Kailangan may butterfly kayo. Here you got medically. Name of your husband. Alphabetically. No. First husband. Okay, let's listen. The first name of the husband. First husband daw. Conrado, ha? Sino ba? Erwin. C.E. Thomas. H. Osilito. Orlando. Second Paul. Ako. No one. Isa kayo. Ito, Japan.
I'm living in Saipan right now for so many years, since 1990, and I work at PFS duty-free shop in Saipan. Andiyan ako yung sample. Andiyan na yung sample, ma'am. I have two boys, one 18-year-old and one 10.
So, yung pangalan ko, hindi ko rin iba. I'm very, very consistent with everything. My name is still Maria Glenda Carabit. I live in the Vancouver area in Canada. So, it's my first time to come home after almost 7 years. I work different jobs, but right now I work at one of those financial companies which does loans and other things that a bank would all do. I don't like the job, honestly. I would rather do something like what Miss Alcoreza does. I had a chance when I was in Secretariat before. Eventually, who knows, I might get back to that thing, right? But just right now, I'm happy to be here. Magaganda pa rin tayo. So, yeah. Si Merida, meron siyang tusan. Ako, I don't have anyone. Boyfriends often change a lot. But anyway.
Go, girl!
Yeah, I do. And, you know, but I have a lot of pamangkin. So, sa kanila na. And I have a lot of friends. Sorry, my friend, I'm not allowing my place. Better go. So, yeah. So, how do you guys want to go with the introduction? Shall we go?
Oh, that way, I think.
Should we
Yeah,
go?
you should go.
You want to volunteer?
No, you choose. We'll pass it.
Oh, pass the mic.
Yeah.
Next.
Each and every one of my classmates. Totoo yun, mga bata pa tayo, tsaka magaganda pa rin. I'm presently working sa bahay, self-employed, freelance bookkeeper. Pag may problema kayo sa mga business nyo, dito lang ako. Isang tawag lang, isang text. Tutulungan ko kayo sa biyaya. Mura lang.
Affordable.
I have 3 kids. Yung isa 21-year-old. Malapit na mag-asawa, magiging lola na. Tapos yung isa ko, lalaki 17 years old, tsaka isa na grade 8.
In the middle, Lisa.
Lisa Alqueros from New Jersey. I've been there for 4 years. And I've been working for healthcare. It's a parent company, General Electric, for finance department. And I have 2 kids. She's going to be 18 and 7.
New Jersey.
Kalungkad pa rin ginagamit ko, 4 ang anak ko nasa bahay na. 3 ng graduates ko at saka nagtatrabaho. Ito, kasama ko. At ang proxy ko sa lahat ng activities na gagawin. Gusto masaya lang ako na nagkita-kita tayo. Buti nga surviving nga pala ako kasi na-mild stroke ako last December 10. Kaya nagpapagaling.
Yes, same. I'm Esa Labrenica, and of course, I work at DepEd. Miss Julia, of course, I'm so proud that I'm working with my mentor sa DepEd. Both of us are education program supervisor. Si Ma'am, syempre, music at science. And I'm presently the OIC director of Quezon Science High School, located near Max at Isabang. And I have an only daughter who is teaching at Quezon National High School, PE teacher. And I have 2 granddaughters, beautiful like me.
Hey, Kuya Gonzales, yung dati payak noon, ngayon medyo kalaman na. I'm married to Luis Gonzales. I'm currently working, and I'm currently working in DPWH in Valenzuela City. I have 3 kids. Yung eldest is twins, identical twins, girls sila. 17 years old, and then the youngest is 14 years old. Thank you.
Natalie Alduino Vasquez. Widow na ako, 2 years na diba? I have 4 children. Ang eldest ko is 27, 26. At 27 is a boy, 26, then 20 years old. And I have an 11-year-old boy. Mag-grade 5 na. May apo na ako. I'm a housewife at saka no, I'm not connected. Hindi na ako, nasa bahay na lang ako, hindi na ako. Kasi I was operated last year and I would like to take this opportunity to thank all my friends, my classmates na tumulong sa akin nung nasa hospital ako. Maraming salamat. Hindi na ako babagay mga pangalan. Edith, si Alet, si Juliet, si Lalaine, si Celisa, si Heidi, marami si Lisa, si Esen, si Glenn, marami tumulong sa akin. Kaya nakasurvive ako and I'm happy. Thank you.
I have 2 children, 17 and 11. Nakatira po ako sa Toronto for 24 years. I'm an accountant.
Is Mascardo, married, syempre. Iisa lang yung anak ko, 12 years old pa lang. Medyo nahuli po, pero dadating din tayo. Ibig sabihin, magsisimula pa lang ako magbayad ng college. Ayun, yun lang po. Nandito lang po ako sa Lucena, Banco de Oro. Deposit no, pwede anytime.
Ako po si Heidi Agbayani Lopez na po ngayon. Mayroon akong one and only son. Married to Erwin Lopez. Ngayon po connected ako sa security agency. Baka gusto nyo, magpagwardya. Kailangan nyo ng bodyguard. Pwede ako, may SO ako. Pwede ko kayong bodyguard. Kung gusto nyo magpagwardya sa inyo, kung merong problema, tawagan nyo lang ako. I'm just a phone away. Okay, bye, girls, ladies.
Ay, walang mic. Ako po si Aster Lily Akyatan, dati Gaviata ngayon. 3 anak, isang 21, wala pang asawa, isang 19, tsaka isang 9 years old. 4 na bangko ng pinanggalingan ko, magmula sa Union Bank, napunta sa Export Bank na ngayon ay nag-close na. At ngayon, dati nalipat ako sa BNP, pero dahil sa politika, ayoko nang bumalik doon. Umalis ako doon, pumunta ako sa Premier Bank, na napakaliit na bangko, na pinili naman ng Security Bank. Kaya ngayon ay Security Savings Bank na ako. Ano pa ba dapat sabihin? Tumaba, nagpa-straight ng buhok, nakakailang hair dye na para may tago ang mga puting buhok. Nakatira sa Quezon City, nagtatrabaho sa Makati. Yun lang.
Magandang hapon po, lalo na po sa aming mga dating teachers. Ako po si Annalie Maxino, ngayon po ay Kura. Nagtatrabaho po ako sa provincial government, ang boss ko po ay si Ma'am Banji. Meron po akong 3 anak, and then yun lang po. Thank you po.
Classmates, I'm Sherry Kerubin. De Ocampo na ngayon. I'm a doctor. Hindi ko gusto kailanganin niyo ako, pero I'm an internal medicine specialized in gastroenterology. I practice sa lang ako sa St. Luke's Medical Center, both UC and Global. Alam ko may mahal yun, pero syempre, whatever assistance na may tutulong natin, nagawa ng paraan, pero like I said, I don't want to see you in my hospital, in my clinic, pero we're open to, syempre, lahat tayo pwedeng, as we age, you know, a lot of illnesses come with age. So, andito lang ako.
Hi, I'm Mirna Dimakulangan now sa Lamillas. I'm working at one of Lucio Tan's group of companies, Asia Brewery, for almost 20 years. Loyal. So we have a product of Asia Brewery. We have called, inipag na, no? Cobra. Lahat na, no? We have also Summit, Absolute, sa amin din yun. We have yogurt. We have also Vitamilk. We have Tanduay Ice. I have the sample here, mamaya. I have bring Tanduay Ice. And I have 2 kids, both boys. Lola na ako, 2 girls. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Lagi tinatawag sa akin ng mga classmates ko si Ned Jane. Kinakorek ko si Lisa, sabi ko, Lisa, it's Marie. Sabi ko, arte ko daw. Pero sa bangko kasi, sa 5 kong pangalan ng Gigi, ako'y naging GI. So pag hinanap nyo ako sa branch, GI ang hanapin nyo para ako maitulong sa inyo. Kasama ko si Lisa sa BDO sa Quezon Avenue. Kaya lang, dahil na rin sa shortage ng pool, pinihiram din ako kung saan-saan lang. Kaya dito lang sa Lucena. I have 2 kids, 1 boy and 1 girl. Pa-second year college na aking panganay, pa-first year high school na aking bunso. Isang babae sa lalaki. Tapos,
Magandang hapon sa aking mga classmates, batchmates. Tunay na ako'y natutuwa na makita uli kayo after 30 years. Ako po ay may dalawang anak na babae, 20 years old at 18. Meron po akong anak na lalaki, siya po ay autistic. Right now po, ako po ay public servant for almost 21 years. And hopefully po, mga 4 to 5 years, I will be able to leave my post para po makapag-concentrate, mabigay po yung oras ko sa anak ko, sa bunso kong anak, at sa akin pong itinayong Foundation for Special Children. Muli, pinahayo ko po na ako po'y tuwan-tuwa. Nung po ako'y nag-aaral, ako po ay medyo tahimik. By the way, hindi ko pa ata nasabi, ako po pala si Evangelina Manzano. Oo na po ako ngayon. Banshee po noon. Thank you very much. Masaya-saya po.
Medyo ma-break muna yung pag-i-introduce. We have another game. Okay, the winner. Okay, get your prize to...
Good afternoon. I am Elenita Noda before. Now I Elenita de Guzman. I have 3 sons. My eldest is already a teacher for Montessori. Then the second is already a seaman, graduate lang. And then my youngest is a 3rd year high school. I am presently at home na lang. Akong nag-aano sa mga bata. And then wala pa akong apo.
Short, I mean. I have 2 kids, 19 and 16. And ako. Meron po akong company. It's hair production. Kailangan ko ng mga models, mommy, children, all kinds of people, all kinds of age. Different kinds of age. Commercial modeling at saka print ads. Pwede kayo. Punta kayo sa office sa Manila. BTR. Pwede, mami. Kailangan yung age natin. Hindi lang po para sa maganda to. Lahat ng klase ng tao. Kailangan mo. Tapos, lahat po kayo magkakaroon ng condoms. Yung iba, gusto nyo magpagawa. Try na kayo sa akin. Yan ang aking small business. Yung isa, yung aking hair productions. Ang asawa ko, yung kalbo kanina, nakita niyo. Yung naka-red, asawa ko yan. Happy ni Mary. Proud ako kahit kalbo siya. That's all.
Good afternoon, teachers, classmates, and batchmates. I'm Sonia Robles de Guzman. I am a chemical engineer by profession, but I never had the opportunity to practice my profession. My first job is in IT up to this time. IT pa rin. I have 2 kids, a girl and a boy. Both are in college. My first is a girl in her 20th year, and then boy, 18 years old. Both are studying in UST.
Hi, Mom. My full name is Maria Shelito Martin. And my husband's surname is Fresas. I always have it in a dash. I'm separated by choice. I have 2 kids, one 19 and the other one is 10. I work for an IT company, and fortunately, because of the teachings of Sacred Heart, I'm in a very good position as HR director, and moving on in my career, and then later on probably having more to give for others. So, yun lang. And if you know anyone who is in need of a partner, I'm available.
Joke lang!
And nasa po ako, medical field. I'm a nurse sa UPPGH. Just like what Dr. have said, ayaw ko po rin na makikita kayo sa PGH. But then, kung kailangan niyo yung service ko, I'm very much willing to help you, knowing na napakahirap talaga na magpa-admit, magpa-check up sa PGH. So, syempre, hindi rin naman natin sinasabi, but every one of us wants to be healthy, pero marating yung point na kinakailangan natin magpa-consult. So, I'm here to help you. Oncology nurse po ako. So, if you want, pwede kayo tulungan sa PGH. Hindi lang po sa oncology. Sa ibang department, kasi talaga mahirap sa oncology. Ayaw natin lang sa oncology, pero... And I have 3 kids. My eldest is 25. He has a business. Then my next is 19. He's in college. And my youngest, nasundan pa, I have 6-year-old daughter. Nakakahiya kasi 40-year-old na talaga ako. And I have two grandchildren. Lala na.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Christine Legaspi. Wari na ako ngayon. I have 3 kids. Kids kasi dalaga na sila. Nag-graduate na akong 2 anak. Para silang babae. At ako sa aking bunso ay 15 years old na. Nag-graduate na siya ng high school ngayong taon ito. Hanggang ngayon, nasa bahay lang. Present din. Nasa bahay. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon, classmates, batchmates, and the teachers. Actually, I'm Arlene Leyba, now Arlene Leyco. Actually, I did not graduate from Sacred Heart. I stayed only for 2 years, first and second year. But I really appreciate my classmates, my batchmates for accommodating me and still making me part of the batch 82. And I have very fond memories actually of our first and second years in Sacred Heart. I am now connected with Rizal Commercial Banking Corp, RCBC, in charge of lending. So kung meron kayong lending requirement of at least 1 million, you can contact us on RCBC. Kailangan nga lang business loan, not personal loan. I have 2 kids, both girls, 17 years old and 13 years old.
Okay, I'm Edna Pianyo Hasim, 40, 32, 36. Okay, wala kayo niyan. Diba? Tama? Okay, very good. So I'm a single mom. I have a special child, 18 years old. So I don't have a husband, kaya Hasim pa rin, pero I have a boyfriend and 3 future tenants. Okay, I'm a private tutor. Thank you.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. I'm formerly Vivian Cuevas. I'm now Vivian Cuevas Rada. I'm a certified public accountant by profession, pero hindi ko pinapractice. So, banker ako, katulad ng iba nating classmates. I was connected with Asian Bank, Global Bank, Asia Trust, Planters Bank, PS Bank, Export Bank, and recently I was referred to the ambassador of Savings Bank. So I was invited as first vice president for retail banking. So okay, meron kayong kakilala, we need branches. I have 4 children. Yung isa nandito, graduate na siya ng architecture, working with Archeon Architects. And I have 1 daughter, 3 boys. I'm married to Litorada. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat. Tsaka excited ako pumunta dito, makita kayong lahat. Thank you.
Teachers, classmates, and friends. I am Maria Janet Renal Alba. I am married to Panchito Alba. Ramon Alba lang siya. And my son is Johan, Gio, and Tintin. They are all here, kaya nagagastusan ako. And right now, I'm connected to Facebook. May-ari ng Facebook of the Philippines.
Actually, I'm with Alba Catering, no, with my husband. And those who are here who's helping us are my friends. Itong mga to, damihan nyo ha? Damihan yung picture. And the photo booth, mga friends ko yan. And later, may host tayo who we invited. Mga friends ko rin yan sa entertainment industry. Actually, hindi ako artista. Ako na ngayon isa ng mga artista. Thank you so much. Alam nyo, talagang hindi ko alam kung anong sasabihin ko, pero mamaya na yun sa welcome address na. Thank you, guys.
Hello. Sasabihin ang ginagawa natin pag-weekend.
Secret. Ako si Melda Idanyo. Guzman ako ngayon. I'm based na sa Australia, Sydney. I have 2 kids. One is 16, one is 11. And I work in a bank. Working there for 9 years. Yun lang.
Liso.
Teka, kakanta na? Quiet lang ako muna magsasalita. Nasarapan ba kayo doon sa cake na inhanda? Okay, good. Thank you. So, sisingilin ko kayo afterwards para doon. Mamaya ulit, bubuksan natin yung mga tinapay. That's for our snack. And I want you to be familiar with our company, the Alcoholic Dad. Sana ay check attendance din kayo doon pagbili ninyo. And, of course, 10% discount ni Miss Glenda Carabit. At yung Skype na ayos pa natin, ma'am, sabi niya Skype, ayun, si Marita ang sisimula doon. Maya-maya, yung mga friends natin from abroad, siguro makikita natin we will be simultaneously